Hi, I'm Kevin with John Wayne Service Company, and today I'd like to talk to you about manual J load calculations, what they are, and why they're important for choosing a new system at your house. Essentially, a manual J load calculation is a measurement done on the house that determines exactly how many BTUs of heat a house gains during the summertime and how many BTUs of heat a house loses during the wintertime. Everybody's house is uniquely different. There are no two houses that are the same. So what we do is our technicians, when they're at the home, will basically be looking at all the different areas of the home that the house can gain heat, such as your windows, your walls, the attic, what type of roof shingles you have. The direction of the house plays a tremendous impact on it also. And once all of this is measured and drawn out, it comes back to this department where we do a load calculation on our computer that will tell us precisely what size system is going to effectively and efficiently heat and cool your house. The reason why this is important is because everybody's house is uniquely different. And without doing a proper load calculation, people are just guessing at what size systems to put in other people's houses. We don't guess on anything that our customers purchase from John Wayne Heating and Cooling. We like to know precisely that you're getting the right size system inside your house. So if you do have the wrong size system installed in your house, that can affect a number of different things, including comfort. It can affect your utility bills. It can affect the longevity and the efficiency of the system. And in essence, you're not getting what you paid for. One of the reasons most companies forego doing load calculations is because it is a commitment of time and effort on the company. Here at John Wayne Service Company, we demand it on every job because it's what our customers deserve. My name is Kevin, and if you have any questions on how manual J load calculations are performed, please call John Wayne today or log on to johnwayne.com.